Good luck, drivers. Wait for the sound of the tone. Nice start, keep it clean, guys. Ryan and Ryan both have a win, going for the title. All right, Ryan Cavallari, Ryan Mayfield, and Dakota Fenn. Dustin Evans right there, and Mike Truey up into the top 5.
Left.
All right, top 3 getting away from the pack. Evans, Struey, and Fisher. 3 TLRs. Running 4th, 5th, and 6th. So Cavallari, now the sun's starting to poke out here in the later stages of the main event. Cavallari, your leader, Mayfield in 2nd, and Dakota Fenn right there in 3rd. Oh, Dakota, front flip. But just like earlier, lands right on his wheels. Ryan Cavallari gets into the pipe just a little bit, allowing Mayfield to catch up a little bit. Right now, 5, make that 6/10 of a second. Oh, mistake for Cavallari. Mayfield's gonna scoot on by. And so Ryan Mayfield now your new leader. Down the straightaway they go. 2:30 down and 3:30 left to go. Cavallari trying to get by on the high side by side over the big jump. And Dakota making it a threesome right here up in the front of the pack. Evans and Truey getting a little bit closer as these guys are racing together. 2:45 down, 3:15 to go, approaching halfway. Mayfield rolling up on the pipe, no harm, no foul. Down the straightaway they go. Mayfield half a second up on Cav. Cav 3/10 up on Dakota. Couple associated and a TLR. Dustin, Truey, and Tebow trying to make up ground, but these guys are flying up front. We're down to 2:45. Oh, Mayfield rolling up on the pipe again. Cav now right there. Gets him a little tap, gets him sideways. And Cav gonna wait, let him get back by. That's gonna put Dakota out front for the lead in that TLR. Mayfield now in 2nd, Cavallari in the 3rd spot. So now they gotta try to catch the TLR, work together with 2:15 to go. So Dakota does have a 2nd, so he would have a 1st and a 2nd. Cav would have a 1st and a 2nd, and Ryan would need to get 2nd. If Ryan gets 2nd right here, all 3 of these guys would have a 1st and a 2nd. So we'd have a 3-way tiebreaker if the race ended right now in these positions. But we got 2 minutes to go. Evans in the 4th spot. Hartson running in the top 5. Evans and Hartson catching up to these leaders. Truey in 6th, Fisher 7th, Anderson 8th, and Mater is 9th. Oh, Cav rolling up on the pipe. Mayfield gets some breathing room now. Thank you, Kevin. So now it's 2.4 back to Mayfield from Dakota. So it's looking right now like a 3-way tie. Oh, Dakota cases the triples, and now Mayfield within striking distance, 1.4 back. And Mayfield never give up. 1 minute to go. Cavalieri still rocking third. Evans fourth. Hartson fifth. And Motter, you got a bunch more coming up on you. 1 minute, drivers. 1.4 second lead, now 1.3 second lead as Mayfield makes up another 10. Mayfield gets by, he's the automatic champion. Dakota Fenn, TLR, Pro Line. Team O'Ryan, 30 seconds to go. Dakota coming up a little short. Oh, Mayfield with a mistake, so that's going to take away his second. So that's going to make it come down to Pudge and Dakota. Mayfield with the first and a fifth or so right now. 10 seconds to go. Mayfield needs to get by Pudge and get that second. 5 seconds to go. Let's see if Dakota's going to squeeze by for another one. Oh, and Dakota takes the tumble. But Dakota, you are done. Everybody in the top three is done. Dakota getting caught at the line. Cavalieri, Mayfield done. Yep, Steven, everybody's done. Nolan, and that's a race. Everybody is done. So Dakota doing a poppy willie, getting caught with a 6 flat .2. Cavalieri going to finish second, so we'll have to see what the tiebreaker says. Mayfield gets third. Evans, Hartson fifth. Tebow 6, Truey, Fisher, Anderson, and Motter. So race number 53 coming up next. Two-wheel drive rookie. This one's